Okay, students, which type of cell division, the last question of the back exercise, which type of cell division is required for growth and repair of body? Arpit? Please unmute, Arpit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, the mitotic cell division is required for growth and repair of the body. The mitotic cell division is involved in
You can either write down mitosis. Answer 10th it is. So first part is mitotic. And which one is required for involved in formation of gametes?
Ma'am, meiotic.
Meiosis.
Meiosis.
ठीक है? So there are two parts of the question. For growth and repair, mitosis, cell division is involved, and for formation of gametes, it is the meiosis. Okay, that's all. That completes the question answers, back exercise question answers also. And I'll be sending you homework today. You will start writing in your notebooks these questions also. We have written a few of them in the last class, and we'll write down the rest today. All right. So now we'll solve some questions of the assignment. Okay, beta. The first question, there are few multiple choice questions first. A cell will swell up if the concentration of water molecules in the cell is higher than the concentration of water molecules in the surrounding mediums. दूसरा है concentration of water molecules surrounding medium is higher than water molecule inside the cell, and the concentration of water molecule is same both inner and out, and concentration of water molecule does not matter. Anji, please answer.
Yes, B part, the concentration of water molecules in surrounding medium is higher than water molecules concentration in.
बिल्कुल ठीक, because of the process of which process is involved for the movement of water molecules across the plasma membrane. So which process is involved?
Osmosis.
Osmosis is involved. Osmosis is, how you can define osmosis, my dear?
Yes, ma'am. The passing of water from a region of higher concentration area to lower concentration area through a selectively permeable membrane is known as osmosis.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. यहाँ पर selectively permeable membrane जो है वो plasma membrane है, and आपको यहाँ पर जो second option है concentration of water molecules surrounding medium में बाहर ज्यादा है. So definitely it is at higher concentration, so it will move from higher to lower concentration, that is inside the cell, और जब water inside move करेगा it will make the cell to swell up. Second question, chromosomes are made up of, yes,
Ma'am, C, DNA and protein.
बिल्कुल ठीक, C part DNA and protein. See the next question, which of these is not related to endoplasmic reticulum? Which of these is not related? ध्यान से question पढ़ना है आपने. These are some of the functions given. It behaves as a transport channel for proteins between nucleus and cytoplasm. It transports materials between various regions of the cytoplasm. It can be a site of energy generation. It can be site of some biochemical activities of the cell. तो इसके लिए आपको recall करना पड़ेंगे all the functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. हाँ जी, who will give the answer?
Ma'am, it can be the site of energy generation.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, it can be the site of energy generation is the wrong answer. It is not the function of endoplasmic reticulum. ये किसका function है? Can you give me the answer? Where is, what is the site of energy generation in a cell?
Mitochondria.
बिल्कुल ठीक, mitochondria. बिल्कुल ठीक बेटा. Next one. Following are the few definitions of osmosis. आपको अलग-अलग तरह की definition दी हैं. You have to read carefully and select the correct definition. Movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Movement of solvent molecules from its higher concentration to lower concentration. Movement of solvent molecules from higher to lower concentration of solution through permeable membrane. And movement of solute molecules. I hope you are clear with the concept of solute and solvent. You will be studying in chemistry also, but we have studied a bit in lower classes also. Solute molecules from lower concentration to higher concentration of solution through a semi-permeable membrane. Hanji, please give me the answer, beta.
Ma'am, option A, water molecules from a region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Option A is the correct one. Movement of water molecules from a region of higher concentration to region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. It is a movement of water or solvent molecules. B option भी correct है, but उसमें semi-permeable membrane नहीं है, इसलिए वो wrong हो गया. ठीक है, statement वो half correct है, लेकिन third तो बिल्कुल गलत है, because permeable membrane के through नहीं हो सकता और solute भी नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है. Next one. Plasmolysis in plant cells is defined as breakdown of plasma membrane in hypotonic solution, shrinkage of nucleoplasm, shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic medium, and none of these. Hanji, please give the answer. Hanji beta, please give the answer.
C part, shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic solution.
बिल्कुल गौरी, बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने. Shrinkage of cytoplasm in hypertonic medium. ठीक है. Next one. Which cell organelle plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs in a cell? अगर आप realize करेंगे, the questions which have been designed here are basically based on the functions. ठीक है, आपको you have not been asked to write down the functions of it, but the functions have been told, and you have to identify which cell organelle is associated with it. So which cell organelle is associated with detoxifying of poisons and drugs in the cell? Hanji.
SER, smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Shabash. It is Lavanya. It is SER. Very good, beta. Want to say something? Someone else? Okay, we'll proceed with the next one. Find out the correct sentence. इनमें से चारों में से you have to find out the correct sentence. Enzymes packed in lysosomes are made by RER. Second, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum produce lipid and protein respectively. Third,
B.
the destruction of plasma membrane. Balpreet, my dear, you need to keep yourself muted and you will be given chance to speak. Endoplasmic reticulum is related with the destruction of plasma membrane. Nucleoid is present inside the nucleolus of an eukaryotic cell. Nucleoid is present inside the nucleolus of an eukaryotic cell. Now give the answer. Balpreet, if you want to. Yes?
A part enzymes packed in lysosomes are made by RER.
Shabash Ankit. It is enzymes packed in lysosomes. The enzymes, digestive enzymes, which are present in lysosomes, are made by rough endoplasmic reticulum. क्योंकि ये second option में rough जो endoplasmic reticulum है, it is producing proteins. It is the site for protein synthesis. And smooth is concerned with lipid synthesis. तो वो गलत हो गया वहाँ पर. And plasma membrane की destruction के साथ बिल्कुल नहीं. It is involved in formation of plasma membrane rather. Endoplasmic reticulum और न्यूक्लियोइड तो जो होता है that is undefined region, nuclear region, which is present in prokaryotic cells. So rest of the three statements are wrong. Okay, next, the undefined nuclear region of prokaryotes is also known as, okay, I have given the answer already, but still one of you can answer.
Nucleoid.
हाँ जी बेटा, please answer again बेटा. It is nucleoid. Okay, we'll proceed with the next one. The organelle, cell organelle involved in forming complex sugars from simple sugars. Complex sugars from simple sugars. कौन सा सेल ऑर्गेनली है? एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, राइबोसोम, गोल्गी एपरेटस, प्लास्टिड. हाँ जी, which one it is?
Ma'am, Golgi apparatus.
बिल्कुल ठीक है नूरजोत, it is Golgi apparatus. Which out of the following is not the function of vacuole? Vacuole का function नहीं है. Storage, providing rigidity to the cell, waste excretion and locomotion. हाँ जी,
मैम डी पार्ट लोकोमोशन.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने Tanish, that it is locomotion which is not associated with vacuole. Shabash. Next is amoeba acquires its food through a process termed as, amoeba जो है, we have discussed a bit about amoeba also while we were discussing
Yes, ma'am. B part endocytosis.
बिल्कुल ठीक है, endocytosis. ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. Next question, let's look at next question, Gauri. Very good. Cell wall of which one of these is not made up of cellulose? Cell wall की composition जो है, that is cellulose, है ना? Bacteria, hydrilla. Hydrilla is a plant. Cactus and mango tree. Yes.
Ma'am, A bacteria.
A bacteria, बिल्कुल ठीक, because hydrilla, cactus and mango tree are all plants, and plants have cell wall, and the cell wall is made up of cellulose. Organelle other than nucleus containing DNA. Otherwise, DNA is present in the nucleus, लेकिन there are
माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा, mitochondria. Kitchen of the cell. Kitchen of the cell. Kamaljeet. Chloroplast, D option, chloroplast. बिल्कुल ठीक है, because it is the site where photosynthesis occurs, and photosynthesis is the process of synthesizing the food. All right, so it is called as, because it is food being prepared there, so it is referred to as kitchen. All right. Next, lipid molecules in the cell are synthesized by. Lipid molecules in the cell are synthesized by. कहाँ पर lipid molecules बनते हैं? Lipid metabolism किसके साथ involved है? Lipids का formation. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, plastids and Golgi apparatus.
मैम ए पार्ट स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम.
Very good, Kamaljeet. Very good, beta. Cells arise from pre-existing cells. Cells जो हैं वो pre-existing cells से arise करते हैं. Was stated by Haeckel, then Virchow, Hook and Schleiden. Yes. हाँ जी बेटा जी.
It's B option, Virchow.
Virchow, B option, Gauri, very good. Virchow, because Virchow further जो cell theory propose की थी Schleiden and Swan ने, he further improved, or you can say that it was expanded by Virchow, in which he included this point that cells exist, all the cells arise from pre-existing cell. Cell theory was given by, ये तो मैंने चलो आंसर ही दे दिया आपको. नेक्स्ट, हाँ जी. Cell theory was proposed by
Ma'am, Schleiden and Swan.
Very good, Parneet. It is Cleidon and Squam. थोड़ा नाम इनका बोलना डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन आप स्पेलिंग याद रख लेना बेटा. तो only cell organelle seen in prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells में you don't see. We have done the differences between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, and we have also done the diagram of prokaryotic cell. तो prokaryotic cells में सारे cell organelles are, most of the cell organelles are absent. ठीक है, membrane bound जो cell organelles हैं, they are absent, but there is one which can be seen. Yes.
Ma'am, B option, ribosomes.
Ribosomes. Shabash beta, it is the ribosomes. Living cells were discovered by.
Ma'am, option C.
Leeuwenhoek. बिल्कुल ठीक. Leeuwenhoek, because Robert Hooke जो था, he had seen the dead cells. ठीक है ना? Robert Hooke was the first person to see cells, but he saw the dead cells. Clear? Bark of the cells जो उसने observe किए थे. So living cells जो water में first time observe किए, that was Leeuwenhoek in his self-styled microscope. Lysosomes arise from. Lysosomes arise from.
Golgi apparatus.
Golgi apparatus. बिल्कुल ठीक कहा बेटा. Next one. Match the following. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum.
Fourth option, detoxification.
Detoxification. बिल्कुल ठीक. Lysosomes. Lysosomes.
Suicidal bags.
हाँ जी. Please say it again, beta.
Suicidal bags.
Suicidal bags. Lavanya, बिल्कुल ठीक है. The next one, nucleoid. Yes. It is
Nucleus.
presented. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, nucleus.
Nucleoid is present in nucleus. No, beta, no.
Bacteria.
बैक्टीरिया बिल्कुल ठीक. बैक्टीरिया इज अ प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल ना, तो उसमें न्यूक्लियोइड होता है. न्यूक्लियोइड क्या है? न्यूक्लियोइड इज स्कैटर्ड न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल. द प्रोकैरियोट्स डू नॉट हैव प्रॉपर न्यूक्लियस. जितना भी न्यूक्लियर मटेरियल है, इट इज विदाउट द न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन, and hence it is scattered there, and that is termed as nucleoid, and that is present in prokaryotes, and bacteria is a prokaryote. ठीक है? Then next is endocytosis. That is associated with.
Ma'am, amoeba.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा बेटा, amoeba. Next one, name the organelle which shows the analogy written as under. मतलब इसके साथ आपने associated जो organelle है वो बताना है आपने. Transporting channels of the cell. Transporting channels of the cell.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Endoplasmic reticulum आप पूछ रहे हैं कि बता रहे हैं मुझे? Sorry. Okay. Next one is powerhouse of the cell.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Packaging and dispatching unit of the cell.
Ma'am, Golgi apparatus.
बिल्कुल ठीक परनीत. Golgi apparatus. Digestive bag of the cell.
Lysosomes.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा प्रांजल ने. Lysosomes. Storage sacs of the cells.
Vacuoles.
Vacuoles. Ankit, very good. kitchen of the cell.
Chloroplast.
Chloroplast. Plastids भी कह सकते हैं, लेकिन chloroplast in specific. Name 2 organelles in plant cell that contain their own genetic material and ribosomes. 2 organelles हैं जिनके बारे में हमने पढ़ा है. They contain their own genetic material and ribosomes.
Mitochondria and plastids.
Mitochondria and plastids. Shabash Gauri. Which cell organelle is termed as powerhouse or storage batteries of the cell? तो powerhouse हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. Other name for them is storage batteries of the cell.
Mitochondria.
Mitochondria. Very good, beta. Ishita. Name the organelle which is associated with protein synthesis.
Ma'am, ribosomes in RER.
हाँ जी ठीक है. परनीत बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने. Which organelle of plant cell has chlorophyll pigments present in it? Yes. Someone is saying something. But
Chloroplast.
Sanyam, chloroplast. बिल्कुल ठीक. Cell wall is chiefly composed of which material in plants? Cell wall की composition क्या है? Main composition.
Cellulose.
Cellulose. Very good, Pranjal. Next one. Name the membrane which covers the vacuole in plant cell. एक membrane होती है vacuole के ऊपर. Name that membrane. Yes. Yes, no one? Okay, beta, it is called as tonoplast. The membrane which covers the vacuole in a plant cell is called as tonoplast. Tonoplast. Where are genes located? Where are genes located?
Chromosomes.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Chromosomes.
Not clear beta. Someone else can answer.
Chromosomes.
Tanish, there is a disturbance. Maybe my network, but I'm not able to hear properly. Someone else can tell.
In the nucleolus.
Beta ji,
Hello.
it is not clear. Maybe my network is that way, but I'm not able to hear properly. Where are genes located? Genes जो होती हैं, they're specific segments of DNA,
Chromosomes.
है ना? DNA के segments होते हैं.
Chromosomes.
और जो DNA है, that is DNA and proteins make what? They're making up chromosomes. So they're present essentially on chromosomes. ठीक है? Which is present inside the nucleus. Name the 2 cellular components that are absent in animal cell but present in plant cell. Cellular components बोले हुए आप. हाँ जी, जल्दी से. Yes.
Ma'am, plastids and cell wall.
बिल्कुल ठीक कहा बेटा जी. Then which cell unicellular organism has irregular shape? Very simple. Quickly.
Ma'am, amoeba.
Amoeba.
Amoeba, बिल्कुल ठीक. which name the organelle which is acts as protein factory of the cell. Protein factory किसको कहेंगे? जहां पर प्रोटीन्स बनते हैं. जल्दी से. Not clear, beta. Harvinder ma'am, please you can tell the answer. ये बीच में बच्चे जो बोल रहे हैं, I'm not able to hear properly. हाँ जी.
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell the answer. जो बच्चे बोल रहे हैं मेरे को नहीं पता लग रहा है, ma'am. Sometimes children tell the answer and I'm not able to hear them properly. What did they say? RER we can give the answer as. Next one, what will happen if raisins are kept in water? What will happen if raisins are kept in water? अगर हम raisins को किशमिश पानी में डालते हैं, yes?
Ma'am, the raisins will swell up.
Very good. By the process of
Osmosis.
endosmosis, beta. Which cell organelle is commonly called cellular scavenger? Cellular scavenger. Cells को जो eat up कर जाता है उसको cellular scavenger कहेंगे.
Ma'am, lysosomes are known as cell scavengers because it digests up the dead cells or foreign materials.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Where are they arising from? Origin कहाँ से है? From where it arises?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
No बेटा, Golgi complex. ठीक है? Golgi apparatus से वो arise करते हैं. ठीक है? याद रखने आपने. Name the longest human body cell. Yes, we are running short of time. Longest human body cell. Very simple.
Ma'am, nerve cells.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Two components of chromosomes. Yes. Yes, I'm not able to hear, beta. What are you saying?
Ma'am, DNA and protein.
बिल्कुल ठीक.
DNA.
And proteins. बिल्कुल ठीक है. And the last question, which type of endoplasmic reticulum is more abundant? मतलब कहाँ ज्यादा होता है? We are talking about where it is found more. It is near to the nucleus and near the plasma membrane. Plasma membrane के पास कौन सा है ज्यादा और nucleus के पास कौन सा है ज्यादा? You can check from the diagram also.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 63.
Ma'am,
Yes.
rough endoplasmic reticulum is present near the cell, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum is present near the plasma membrane.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Near the nucleus it is RER and near the plasma membrane it is SER. बिल्कुल ठीक कहा बेटा. That is all.